My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, okay? Let's go. What I'm going to do is to move this way, bring this down. Let's start by doing that. Move it this way, bring this down. Then we'll push this towards this direction so that all of them can go up, the reds. Okay, after that, we'll drag it to this direction, bring that down, watch. Then we'll push this in so this red can come down. Return all of them to the left, watch that, so this can go up. Exactly. Then after that, push this and this way so these reds can come down. Now push this and this in, push that up, return this fully, bring it down. The key passes. Let's play it now without talking.